Hey you guys, what's up? If you are looking for unicorn themed birthday decoration ideas, then welcome you guys. You have landed to the right video. So it was my baby girl's first birthday very recently and we had put together a unicorn theme for her birthday. Check this out people, how do you like it? The one thing that I would like to say is that this is a complete DIY. Everything that you see as a part of decoration was completely handmade. So stay tuned people, I'm gonna show you in detail, step by step, how did I DIY each of these things. From the flowers and paper fans that you see on the wall to the table decor, the cute unicorn cutouts that you see on the table and also this multicolored frill table cover. I'm gonna show you how to make all of them. So firstly, let's start with the wall decoration. The first thing that we're gonna make is the unicorn crown. For this, I'm using a foam sheet which is of glitter golden color. I'm just copying a crown design that I saw online. I'm just putting up the picture here for your reference so that you have an idea of what I'm drawing right now. Yeah, so I think we're almost done with the sketch of the crown and now we can start cutting. So we're almost done. My crown is done. I've cut out a crown. I know it's not very neat. It's a bit shabby. I'm sure you guys can do better, but yeah. Now that it's done, I'm gonna put it right here on the wall first of all with the help of a sellotape. So next thing guys, let's see how to make these foam sheet flowers. Guys, I'm gonna show the flower making tutorial in detail for people who don't know. In case you know how to make the foam sheet flowers, you can skip the video a little bit. There are a lot of interesting things coming further in this video. And we are done. Wasn't this very easy, guys? But look how amazingly stunning these flowers look. Similarly, I've made 2 other flowers of different sizes and then I've just attached them to the golden crown that we have made with the help of staplers. Now these paper fans, as much as cute they look as a part of decoration, it's very easy to make them. Let me show you how. So right now I'm using chart paper to make these paper fans. You can also use normal paper or even crepe paper for making paper fans. So we're almost done with the wall decoration, guys. How do you like this? To make these paper fans more of a unicorn theme, you can make it like this. Now I really wanted something very personalized as a part of the birthday decoration, and that's how we came with this handmade photo collage. We've actually made a collage of her first year journey from her first month to her 12th month, and we've used ice cream sticks to make the photo frames. Now coming to the table decoration. We have used the pink satin fabric as the base of the table cover and the net fabrics which is of pink and blue color to make the ruffles on the table cover. Now I'm just gonna show you how did we make these layered ruffles so that it can be of good reference to you if you want to make such kind of a table cover. These are just plain glitter paper cutouts. I just wanted this as a part of the table decor. We also had this cute paper unicorn cutouts on which we had actually displayed our baby's name. Now if you see, we have actually stuck them together with a straw to keep it standing. Now as it's a unicorn theme, I thought why not help you guys with some of the unicorn birthday cake ideas also. So we also got this unicorn cupcakes and also some marshmallows, candies, lollipops for the table decor. So guys, that's all from my side in this video. That's how we DIY'd our baby's birthday celebration decorations all by ourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and also got some ideas for your baby's birthday celebrations. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.